In today's lesson, toda kuita this Cambridge question, which was written in November 1993. So we have 15A, part 1, part 2, then lastly, tine 15B. So I'm going to be taking small parts of these questions so that we can utilize the space on our board. This is question 15A, and it is 3 marks. Kureva kuti typically tinofanirwa kuita this question in under 3 minutes, but because I will be explaining, zvoreva kuti I'm going to take more time than is typically expected of you. Question yedu inoti 15A, a geometric progression G has positive first term A, common ratio R, and sum to infinity S. The sum to infinity of the even numbered terms of G, that is the second, fourth, sixth terms, is minus half S. Find the value of R. So in this particular question, we want to find the value of R, but the first step kana tichita any mathematical problem is to understand the question. But to understand the problem, we need to collect the data provided. So if you want to understand something, if you want to solve a problem, you should first understand the problem. Go to any mechanic, vanogadzira mota vaya. The first step at kugadzira mota, ku understand the problem. So you have to first investigate the problem before you can solve the problem. Even my doctors who are working with the machine of the human body, they first diagnose the problem before they can start treating the problem. This is the same principle which even applies to mathematical thinking. We first need to understand the problem. But a precursor to understanding the problem is to know what we have been given, the data which we have been given. So tikaverenga question yedu again, but now a little bit slower. A geometric progression. So what are we told? Chekutanga tatoudzwa kuti this is a geometric progression. Very important. Sai ndinozvinyora pasi to remind myself. A geometric progression, I could equally just put GP like this. Sando zvatatanga kuudzwa. But runs this geometric progression G has positive first term A. So our first term, remember kuti takati first term in series and sequence notation inenge ichinzi U1 like this, our first term. Taudzwa kuti it's equal to A. Saka taona kuti first term, which is U1, is equal to A. Let us continue reading this question kuti tione imwe information. Tava taudzwa kuti the common ratio R and sum to infinity is S. Saka the common ratio ndo imwe data yatapiwa is equal to R. Ndokuudzwa kuti the sum to infinity is given as S like this. Let us read tichiendera mberi. The sum to infinity of the even numbered terms of G, and G, remember, is the geometric progression. That is vabva vaita moyo chena va elaborate kana vachiti sum to infinity of even numbered terms. That is the second, the fourth, the sixth terms is minus half of S. Find the value of R. Saka, we want to give context to this statement because ndipo pane like ndo mzongo we question iyi where we should be able to derive a solution. So before tapinda sterek, taudzwa already kuti this is a geometric progression, and tinoziva kuti a geometric progression inenge in a common ratio. And we know kuti a common ratio, maybe explaining this, let me take you back to an example we did. Saka tanga tina 2, 4, 8, 16 and so forth. This was our example of a geometric progression. Panapa takati r is given by the preceding term over preceding term. Zvichireva izvo kuti preceding term yedu in this case ndi 4 kureva preceding kureva term iri kumberi, preceding anenge ari 2. This is equal to 2, and we can also say that this is common even between 4 na 8, common also between 8 na 16. Saka if we are to rewrite this, it's more like this: 2, 4, 8, 16 and so forth. 2 unoyu tikati times 2 tinowana 4, 4 uyu tikamti times 2 tinowana 8, 8 tikati times 2 tinowana 16, and using this common ratio tinobva taziva kuti our next term is obviously going to be 32 and so forth. So chananchida kukuratidzai, there is a relationship yamufanirwa kuva comfortable with. 4 over 2 is equal to 2, and this is the relationship between division and multiplication. So kana tichidivide 2 manumber, tikatora our divisor, remember kuti kana chiti divisor tikureva this number, so tikatora our divisor tika multiply ne quotient, which is our answer, tinowana chi? The dividend. Ndo zvatikuda kudzidza panapa. Tikatora a divisor to multiply ne quotient tinowana a dividend. So it's more like this. Panapa 2 uyu tikamuti times 2 tinowana chi? 4 uyu. Ndo zviripo apa. Saka kumawaniro tunoita r ekuti preceding term over preceding term, it will be 4 over 2 is equals to 2. 2 yacho iyi tikaiti times 2 inotipa 4, 4 tikaiti times 2 yotipa 8, 8 times 2 yotipa 16 and so forth. So why am I talking about this? Ndikuzvitaurira izvi kuti taudzwa kuti it's a geometric progression, tikaudzwa the common ratio, tikaudzwa the first term. Zvinoreva kuti we have an ability yekutsvaga the second term, the third, the fourth, the fifth, maybe the sixth. Tinogona kutsvaga the first few terms using the data which we are given already. So panapa taudzwa kuti first term ndi a, so ndogona kudai, so ndogona kuti the sequence, just to communicate with the examiner, like this. Saka first term ndi a yacho tikaiti times r inotipa second term which is chi? ar. Mukuzona? A tikaiti times r inotipa the second term which is ar. Ar tikati times r yotipa the third term which is ar squared. Ar squared times r, ar cubed. Ar cubed times r, ar to the 4. Ar to the 4 times r, ar to the 5. Ar to the 5 times r, ar to the 6 and so forth. Saka zvandaisa pasapa, this is the sequence which we are going to be dealing with. Ndiyo GP yacho E in general terms. Like this. Maybe let me move it kuno kuzishoma so that there won't be clutter. Like this. Mukuzona? Ndiyo sequence yedu. Saka sequence yedu tirikuiwana easily by understanding data ratapiwa. Tapiwa the first term ne common ratio. Saka kupiwa first term ne common ratio tokuna kushandisa zviviri izvozvo kutoita list out the first few terms of our sequence. Saka tani sequence yedu visually takaitarisa. Let us reread the second statement in that question kuti tigone kuita chi? Mathematize. Zviri kunzi, the sum to infinity of the even numbered terms of G. Saka what are these even numbered terms of G? Is the second term inoyese kutsanangurirwa kwataitapo ar, toenda pana ar to the 3, toenda pana ar to the 5 and so forth. Andika. So zviri kunzi the sum to infinity of the even numbered terms of G. Satogona kudzika panapa tovatati the sequence of even numbered terms like this. This is our semicolon like this. And it saka sequence yacho yakamira sei ndi ar cubed ar to the power 5 mukacherechedza muchaona kuti inotevera inenge iri ar to the power 7 and so forth. Saka ndikuisa mubox kuti muongoona kukosha kwayakaita. Saka this is the sequence of the even numbered terms yataisa pasapa. Let us reread. The sum to infinity of the even numbered terms of G, that is the second, fourth, sixth terms, is minus half of S. Saka kana tikada kuinyora iyo inge yakadai so. Sum to infinity of this sequence is to that sum to infinity is equal to A over 1 minus R. Saka tika mathematize that sentence zongoreva kuti tinge tichiti A ndiani ndi AR over 1 minus R like this. Saka A is the first term. Saka that AR because AR ndiyo first term but the sequence of even numbered terms. Murukona. Twadati 1 minus what is going to be the common ratio there. Kana chidawa na common ratio we can do it maybe graph paper kwedu or we find somewhere yekuipresent as part of our answer. But R inenge equal to munogona tonyora the formula proceeding term over preceding term then the proceeding term upon the AR cubed uyu over the preceding term the AR ma A akachekana R into R ndi 1 into R cubed ndi R squared kureva kuti R apo inenge iri R squared. This is equal to tikadzokera question kwedu zviri kubva zvanzi negative half of S. Saka this part is equal to the negative half of what? Of S. Like that. Murikuona? Zviri kubuda ndiri. Okay. So I want you to understand that A iri kurepresent the first term. Saka since tava a new sequence of even numbered terms, that's why pana A tai replace na AR. Did the calculation R tai replace na R squared. Tikati that is equal to negative half of S. But what is S? Tikadzokera pa this statement taudzwa kuti S is actually sum to infinity of our original geometric progressing sequence G. Panapa pakatonyorwa kuti and sum to infinity is S. Saka S tofunga kuireplace ne formula ye sum to infinity. Tinoireplace say tinge tichiti AR over 1 minus R squared is equal to negative half of what is S? S inge equal to chi A over 1 minus R, which is the formula of sum to infinity. Murugona. Saka apa pa A acharamba ari A because tatodzwa question medu kuti the first term, the positive first term is A. R acharamba ari R because taudziwa kuti the common ratio is R. So this is what we end up with. We just have to simplify that so that we can get our answer. So let us do the basic algebra panapa. AR over 1 minus R squared is equal to, tikashandisa the principle numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, minus 1 times A and minus A over 2 times 1. Remember panapa we should be expanding since this is actually an expression. 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times minus R and minus 2R. That is what we have. Saka pano, you can employ a certain trick if you understand it. If you don't, go the traditional route. there are no extra marks for bravery. Saka A uno ushu angona kutocheka A uyu kureva kuti panapa since ese ari manumerator ndosaka zvashanda zvichidaro zvakangofanira kuti tamultiply na1 over A both sides of the equal sign, which is the left hand side and the right hand side. Saka panapa tosara tina r over 1 minus r squared is equal to minus 1 over 2 minus 2r. Tiri kuda kutsvaka kuti r are equal to chi. Saka inevitably we have to multiply kuside kunoku ne bracket ra 2 minus 2r kutota cancelane anditi toita the same kuside uku. So it's r over 1 minus r squared multiplying 2 minus 2r, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, let us keep up. Saka panapa we are also going to do expansion. Yovachi yova yes yova 2r minus 2r squared and over 1 minus r squared like this is equal to minus 1. Okay, we can cross multiply iyo ichienda kuside uku. So allow me kuisa some line apa kuti vanosaramba nchidzika kuti muone zvinhu zvese zvichiitirwa pano 1. So this is some demarcating line where I'm going to continue my working. So my working panapa inge yakuti 2r minus 2r squared is equal to minus 1 multiplying bracket ra 1 minus r squared. 2r minus 2r squared is equal to minus 1 times 1, that's minus 1, minus 1 times minus r squared, that's plus r squared. Collect like terms, this is now quadratic, saka we can do like this. Tikaendesa minus 2r squared kuside uku na 2r kuside uku inobuda iri 2r squared because yawe yauku iyo yagara iriko plus r squared anditika. Then 2r iri positive yaenda kuside uku minus 2r minus 1 yagara iriko is equal to 0. 1 2 3 4 terms. Minus 1r squared maintain, 2r changes to minus 2r, minus 2r squared becomes 2r squared, giving us 3r squared minus 2r minus 1 equates to 0. Multiply the first and the last terms, we have minus 3r squared, factors of minus 3r squared such that tikama multiply anotipa minus 2r, tikama multiply anotipa minus 3r squared, tikama add anotipa minus 2r. So it's obviously going to be 3r na r minus plus. Minus 3r plus r the minus 2r minus 3r times r the minus 3r squared. So it's 3r squared minus 3r plus r minus 1 equates to 0, like that. Saka panapa if we group these like this, tinenge takutichi we factor out 3r kuno yosara irichi r minus 1 and it 3r times r and 3r squared, 3r times minus 1 minus 3r plus to factor out 1 apo r minus 1 is equals to 0. Kureva kuti 3r plus 1 na r minus 1 is equal to 0. So for r trikona r are equal to minus a third and that's what r is equals to, or r is equal to 1. So we have two values of r, but we have to use mathematical reasoning to know which one is true. Sapana pateta kungoti therefore r is equal to a negative third. And I'm going to explain in a moment why r isingakwanise kuva 1. 1 iyi amadzangu, it's what I call an identity number. And identity number inobuda pakuti kudini, pakuti any number which is multiplied by 1 retains its value. Every number multiplied by 1 is itself. Saka tikati a, the common ratio is 1, zvoreva kuti sequence yedu yanga ichifanirwa kubuda yakadai so a. Why nchidaro? Because sequence yatiri kudhila nayo apa ndiri masequence 2 atiri kudhila nawo. Imwe iri kuti a, kandinyore ndakadai so, imwe iri kuti ar squared, ar cubed and so forth. Then imwe yacho iri kuzotoredzera apa ichitanga ina ar cubed, ar to the 5 and so forth. Saka kana r ari equal to 1, panapa panenge paina 1, saka inodzoka iri a, apo pakaita futi 1 yova futi a, apo yova futi a. The same applies apo. Kana r ari 1, it's a. But this is not the case we are having. So we have enough mathematical reason to disqualify r is equals to 1 as a potential common ratio. Nepamusana pekuti r is equal to 1 inotipa a sequence which is not the sequence we have as per the question. So the only logical number to go with ndeyekuti r is equal to -1/3. I hope you understand this reason. If you do not understand it, please use the comments to ask the questions and I will try to attend to them as much as I can. So we have done 15a. Takuda kuita the second part, actually the first part of 15a. So takuda kuita 15a part 1. So when it comes to 15a part 1, let us read it. Given that the first term of g is 2. Remember kuti g iri kurevei, and g is the geometric progression, our original sequence. Please don't mind kuputika with new year, so people are in festivity. So g is the original geometrically progressing sequence we are dealing with in this question. And ndobva taudzwa panapa kuti the third term of g is 2. Saka the sequence g tikainyora pasi inenge iri chi, remember ar squared, ar cubed and so forth. That's the sequence g. Ndokuudzwa kuti the third term of g is 2. Saka third term ichi 1 2 3 kureva kuti that statement iringotiudza kuti ar squared is equal to 2 like this. And iyi tanga chigona kuinyora nenzira iyi. Manga muchigona kuti the third term is equal to, toziva kuti a term in sequences kana iri geometric sequence, term inge iri un is equal to ar to the power n minus 1. So kana iri third term inenge iri chi ar to the power 3 minus 1, which gives ar squared. So tinongoita loop back to what we said originally. So let us deal with part inoi, which is a direct transliteration, cannot direct mathematization of that statement. Given that the third term of g is 2, ar squared is equal to 2. But r tirikuiziva, we calculated it tikaona kuti ndi -1/3. Correct panapa it's a, then -1/3 squared is equal to 2. We can simplify for a, correct tinenge takuziva the first term in number form of the sequence g. Saka tikatanga ta simplify apa it's a -1 squared ndi 1/3 squared ndi 9. This is equal to 2. A times 1 inotipa a/9 is equal to 2. Tika cross multiply, a inge equal to 2 times 9, which is 18. So a is equal to 18. Okay. tikaendera mberi nequestion yedu iri kubva yati show that the sum to infinity of the odd numbered terms of G, that is the first, third, fifth terms, is 81/4, 3 marks. Allow me to use a different color ndoda kuti zvese zvingova pano 1. Saka panapa manje, since taudzwa kuti sum to infinity of the odd numbered terms, tofanirwa kuziva the sequence of odd numbered terms. Saka sequence of odd numbered terms, remember tukuti first term toti third, saka inge iri ar squared, ar to the power 4, ar to the power 6, and so forth. The moment yatinopiwa a sequence, chinhu chekutanga chofanirwa kuuya musoro kuwana the common ratio. So tikada kucalculate common ratio of sequence iyo, inenge iri equal to the preceding term ar squared over preceding term a, zvikakanzelana answer yedu iri kubuda iri r squared. Very important. So let us go back to the part of the question. Show that the sum to infinity of the odd numbered terms of G and is 81/4. Saka sum to infinity of odd numbered terms, kana ngoti togona ngoti odd numbered sequence, iri equal to a over 1 minus r. That is what the sum of infinity, the formula. Then taudzwa the formula of the sum to infinity, tenge takuti a ndiani sum to infinity is equal to. A is the first term, but first term a uno ushu mukachirichana mchaona kuti a uyu anenge akangofanana ni this a, because even the sequence of odd numbered terms iri kutangira pana a, then the sequence G, which is the original sequence yedu, iri kutangira futi pana a. Saka a is not changing, kureva kuti a acharamba ari 18/1 minus, asi r ari kuchinja, because r watinoshandisa ndi r wesequence yatiri kuda kutsvaga its sum to infinity. Saka sequence yatiri kutsvaga the sum to infinity, r anenge ari r squared sekucalculata kwataita apa. Saka pa inenge iri 18/1 minus r squared, which is 18/1 minus r and minus 1/3 squared, and this is equal to 18/1 minus 1 squared ndi 1, 3 squared ndi 9. Mukacalculata izvi, mukacalculata mchaona answer yenyu ichibuda iri 81/4, and panapa nekudada nekufara munobva mati shown. Saka chinongodikwa kutevera the tract of question yenyu. Understand your question, be intimate with the question and relate with it. Look for the information you are given, relate the information to the formulas you know. Then if you do that properly, you are going to arrive at the answer. That's the beauty of pure mathematics. So I hope you understand what tazviita sei. Kana paine any problem, please don't hesitate to ask. Asking does not mean you are a failure. Actually, asking means you are a learner. We teach it a learning curve, and this is the time to ask. There won't be any time and no one to answer the question if you try to ask the question in your final examination. Let us go to our next part of the question. So taita the first two parts, we now want to go to the third part, which is 15a part 2. Question yedu iri kuti, in another geometric progression h, each term is the modulus of the odd numbered terms of G. Show that the sum to infinity of h is 2s. Saka panapa, firstly we have to understand what a modular, what modulus is. Modulus is just a mathematical operator inoita negate or every term. Kana tine negative number, the modulus of that number is the positive counterpart. Zvatirongoreva panapa in simple terms, mufange makazviita kuma functions, the modulus of plus or minus a is equal to a. That is, modulus ya plus a inoretaina a, zvakare modulus ya minus a inoretaina a. That is what modulus is. I have just summarized in the most basest and simplest way possible. Okay, Saka, let us now extract the data we are given in this question so that we can make sense of it. So zvirukuitika panapa manje, in another geometric progression h, each term is the modulus of the odd numbered terms of g. Saka tifunga kutanga taunderstanda g yanga iri ar squared, ar cubed, ar to the 4, ar to the 5 and so forth. Ndobva taenda pana odd numbered terms of g, yatogona ngoti odd g yanga iri chi ar squared, then from ar squared ar to the 4, ar to the 6 and so forth. Tichibva panapa manje zvobva zvanzi h, it is the modulus of the odd numbered terms of g. Kureva kuti inenge yakadai so: modulus of a, modulus of ar squared, modulus of ar to the 4, modulus of ar to the 6 and so forth like this. Kureva kuti patine a negative term mukati the odd numbered terms of g, tinenge tine a positive term mukati h. Mapaona? Saka tabva kuna g tikalista terms, ndokuenda ku odd numbered terms of g tikalista terms, ndokuzoenda kuna h kuti tichiderive from the odd numbered terms of g what h is going to look like. So each term is the modulus of the odd numbered terms of g. Show that the sum to infinity of h is 2s. So talista zvatiri kufanirwa kulista panapa, chatiri kuchifanirwa kuchiita takuchida kudzokera ku question tinoiverenga zvakare. Saka taudzwa in our question kuti in another geometric progression h, and each term is the modulus of the odd numbered terms of g. Ndozvataita izvo, show that the sum to infinity of h is 2s. Saka tikauya panapa tikati sum to infinity, rikandinyorei in its notation, sum to infinity of h tinoziva kuti inofanirwa kuva equal to a over 1 minus r. Saka a is the first term, tofunga kuziva kuti first term ndiani, then r is the common ratio yatinofanirwa zvakare kugona kucalculata. So we should appreciate the relationship between odd g, which is just the odd numbered terms of g. By the way, kana muchinyora in your exams, munofanirwa kuto specify panapa kuti let the odd numbered terms of g, odd numbered terms of g be odd g, kuitira kuti examiner azive kuti muri kureveka muchiti odd g. Saka takufanirwa kuziva kuti a amborani, takufanirwa kuziva kuti r amborani, so that we can calculate sum to infinity of this new geometric progression h. Saka tikada kuziva kuti a ndiani, saka chi considering the first term of h, ndo patiri kuda apa. So what is the first term of h? Saka kuti tizive the first term of h, tinoziva kuti the first term of odd g is equal to 18. But because of statement rakanzi each term is the modulus of the odd numbered terms of g, so reva kuti the first term of h is equal to the modulus of 18, which is 18 because 18 is a positive number. Saka nenzira iyi tinenge tatowana chi the term we are looking for, which is the first term of h. Sa first term taanayo takuda r. Sa tokunauya panapo toti considering the common ratio of h. Saka the common ratio of odd g is equal to chi. The common ratio of odd g, tikadzokera pana odd g panapa, tichaona kuti inenge iri equal to ar squared over a, ma a akachekana inenge iri r squared. So r squared in this case is equal to chi negative third squared, which is 1 over 9. And because minus 1 squared into 1, 3 squared into 9. Saka the common ratio of odd g, because h are correlated na odd g in the sense h is a modular expression of odd g. So ndo zvakaita panapa teta kuti therefore the first kana kuti the common ratio, so the common ratio of h inenge equal to the modulus of r squared, which is the modulus of negative 1 over 3 cubed, which is just 1 over 9, like this. So kana takuziva kuti a ndiani wa h, r ndiani wa h, hachafanirwi kuti netsa, tenge takungodai so. Therefore sum to infinity of h is equal to a over 1 minus r. Allow me kunyora nchidai so, which is a into 18 over 1 minus r, which is 1 over 9. What answer do we get from this? So tikauya mucalculator medu tikati 18 dividing 1 minus 1 over 9. Let me repeat this in my calculator. 18 dividing 1 minus 1 over 9. Tinowana 20.25. Saka iyi ndiyo answer yatiri kuwana. Okay. Ngatichicalculator yekuti ko 2s yakamira sei, because question yedu iri kuda kuti tiprove kuti sum of infinity of h iri equal to 2s. Saka 2s yakamira sei, handiti. Satogona kuya panototi considering 2s. S yadefiniwa kutanga kwekweseni yedu as the sum of infinity of g. Saka s is simply equal to the sum of infinity of g, which is a over 1 minus r. Saka ndikunyora nchidaiso for space, but mimi siva kuti munonyora mchidzika kuti munyazo presenta wiki yenyu zvakanaka. A ndi 18. Saka s ndi uya ndiri. Saka s ngandikaendidaiso. This is what s is equal to. Therefore 2s inenge equal to 2 multiplying chi a over 1 minus r, which is equal to 2 multiplying a into 18 over 1 minus. Remember kuti for g r arambari r. Saka it's 2 multiplying 18 over 1 minus chi a third, like this. Panapa. Because r abuda ari chigara zviya, r abuda ari minus 1 over 3. Saka panapa it's minus, like this. That is what r is, because g is the original geometric progression. Saka r watacalculate ngari negative 1 over 3, which is what we are getting there. So let us try to calculate this. This is equal to, what is 18 times 2? So 18 times 2 the 36. So this is 36 and over 1 minus na minus ukasangana plus, so it's 1 over 1 of plus 1 over 3, like this. What answer do we get? Tikati 36 dividing 1 plus a third. Tinowana answer yatinowana panapa ndi 27. but mukatarisisa muchaona kuti answer yataona kumusoro kunoku, which was 20.25 is not equal to 27. So what I want to do now is example in our course reader practice nexus theory ndokuda kuposta like their worked example ndokuratidzai kuti it is erroneous. I highly suspect kuti question in this Cambridge paper was haina kutestiwa correctly, and let me show you what I mean. Okay, kuneva ne practice nexus theory munowana the solution per page 93. Now that the values of a and r are known to be 18 and negative 3 respectively, so h yanyorwa zvakanaka, ar squared, ar cubed, ar to the 4. That's g actually, I'm sorry. So g panapa 18 minus 6, 2 minus 2 over 3, and this is 2 over 9. So since the modular sign is used to cushion against a negative sign, h inenge iri 18, 6, 2, 2 over 3 and 2 over 9. Apa ndo pane mistake yacho apa, because question yedu yati h and is the modulus of the odd numbered terms of g. Saka the odd numbered terms of g ndo kunofanirwa kubva h. Ndo mistake yaitwa ne this solution. Maybe solution yakacorrecta mistake iri question. Not question yedu de yanga isina kutaura about the odd numbered terms of g. Yaibuda iri 27 zvazoitika panapa 27 like zvaitika apapa ne mukatarisa muchaona kuti actually haina kutobuda because iri kubuda iri 27 but kunoku it's not 27. Saka there was a mistake. I want to know if you noticed the mistake in this question. Sometimes there are mistakes in questions in SimSec, Cambridge and whatever paper. So the students will be given free marks because they cannot take a whole paper because of a mistake in one question. So I strongly believe there was a mistake there. I want you to study this solution kuti muone mistake. Mistake iri pa r ashandiswa. R akashandiswa kana takutsvaga sum of infinity of h uyu r uyu ari wrong. R anofanirwa kushanda apa ndi r squared because h inenge iri chi a inenge iri a, yes, yobva yati ar squared, ar to the 4 and so forth, but ichitora machi mamodulus kureva kuti r ya h inenge iri equal to r squared from ar squared over a, yet ivo vari kushandisa minus 1 over 3 which is r, not actually r per se, which is the modulus of r, not the modulus of r squared, because panapa should be a modulus. Saka ndizvi kuti zvandataura zvanzwikwa here, but there is a mistake in that question. Let us go to our next and last question. Let us now do the last part of our question. The last question, the last part of our question iri kuti the sum of the first 100 terms of an arithmetic progression with first term a and common difference d is t. The sum of the first 50 odd numbered terms, that is the first, third, fifth, 99th, is half of t minus 1000. Find the value of d. Tinotanga nekutsvaga kuunderstand a question by extracting the data we are given. So when we look at this carefully, taudzwa kuti the sum of the first 100 terms of an arithmetic progression with first term. Saka the first term taudzwa kuti ndi a, common difference tikaudzwa kuti ndi d, but the sum of the first 100 terms tikaudzwa kuti ndi t, like that. So isusu we should recall from our formula kuti sum of n terms kana iri arithmetic progression inge iri equal to two formulas, but in this case hatisi kushandisa formula ina n over 2 multiplying a plus l because we don't have the last term. So panapa tichashandisa n over 2a plus n minus 1 multiplying the common difference. Ndiyo formula yatichashandisa e. Saka iriyo formula yatichashandisa tikada kuiapply ku sum of the first 100 terms is equals to t, tengeta kuti sum of the first 100 terms yataudzwa kuti ndi t inenge iri equal to n apa panenge ari 100 since iri s of n, s of 100 over 2, then 2a yoramba yakadaro plus tikati 100 minus 1 towana 99, d yoramba yakadaro like this. Saka tikasimplify t is equal to 50 from 2 into 100 multiplying 2a plus 99 d. This is what we have from pataverenga so far in our question. But let me do this kuti muone zvese zviri pano 1. What else are we working with? Tabva tazoudzwa kuti the sum of the first 50 odd numbered terms, that is the first, third, fifth, 99th, is half of t minus 1000. Find the value of d. So toda kuziva the original sequence kuti inenge yakaita sei. Remember, this is an arithmetic progression. Kureva kuti the first term plus common difference should give us the next term. Saka kana first term ari a, our next term inenge iri a plus d, because tikuti a plus common difference wotipa the next term. Saka from here a plus d inenge iri a plus 2d, a plus d plus d plus d, that's a plus 3d, and so forth. Saka kana zvakunzi takuda odd numbered sequence, odd numbered sequence inenge ichitangira pa the first term a, yoskip over at a plus 2d, yoskip over at a plus 4d, yoskip over at a plus 6d, and so forth like this. Saka tanyora pasi the original sequence, tonyora futi pasi the odd numbered sequence, tikakondinya nequestion yedu iruzotudza kuti the sum of the first 50 odd numbered terms. Saka sum of the first 50, s of 50, is equal to chi half of t minus 1000, of which tinogona kuda kuapply this formula. But paka-apply formula apa, we must be careful because paitika a redefinition of a and d. The first term in our odd numbered sequence aina kuchinja, yaramba iri a, chinochinja panapa ndi d. Saka kana takuda kutsvaga the common difference, saka common difference of odd sequence kana odd numbered sequence inenge iri equal to preceding term minus preceding term. Saka preceding term ndi a plus 2d minus preceding term which is a. Izvi zviri equal to a minus a zvokanzelana, tongosara tinani 2d. So zvakuchitika apa ndeizvi. Kana takuda kuchinyora what the sum of 50 terms is going to be, taudzwa kuti it's equal to half of t minus 1000, but this will be equal to n over 2, which is 50 over 2. Then apa chisina space apo saka ngatinyore pasi. So this will be equal to 50 over 2, then 2a, a has kuchinja, plus, then panapa it's 50 minus 1, which is 49, then our common difference 2d. Saka apa panoda kuva careful panochinja the common difference kana kuti the first term. you really have to be careful hapa. So let me change color. Chakuchitika hapa manje ndechekuti tapiwa two my equations. Tina t is equal to 50 2a plus 99d as equation number 1. Tikapiwa panapa it's half of t minus 1000 is equal to 2 into 50, that's 25, 2a plus 49 times 2 ndian 49 times 2 98, so it's plus 98d like this. This is equation number 2. Let us simplify equation 1. T is equal to 50 times 2a, that's 100a, plus what is 50 times 99, that's 4950d. This is equation 1. And tikada ku simplify our equation 2, tengeta kungo inyora iri half of t minus 1000 is equal to 25 times 2a, that's 50a, plus 25 times 98. Tinoona kuti it's 2450d. That's equation number 2. Okay, let us go further with equation 2 because toda kuita make t subject to formula sekufanana kwa zvakaita in equation 1. Saka panapa it will be half of t minus, saka ngati ende say 1000 kuside, so it's half of t which is equal to 50a plus 2450d andika zvagara zviruku plus 1000. Saka panapa we are going to multiply everything na 2 kuti ma2 achekane apo anditi izvo achekana. Saka t iri equal to 50a times 2, that's 100a, plus what is 2450 times 2, tinoona kuti it's 4900, twarati plus 2 times 1000 is 2000 like this. So this is equation number 2. Since equation 1 and equation 2 zvese zvina t as the subject of the formula, you should know pamaisolve ama-simultaneous equations kuti you use the law of transitivity. Inotaura iyo ichiti if a is equal to b and a is equals to c, therefore b is equal to c. Saka kana t are equal to this 100a plus 4950d, t are equal again to 100a plus 4900d, dandakanganwa d panapa, plus 2000. Zoreva kuti we can take the right hand side of both equations 1 and 2 and equate them. Saka panapa tengeta kungotichi totora ku right kwa equation 1 which is 100a plus 4950d is equal to tovatatora ku right again kwa this equation which is 100a plus 4900d plus 2000. Mukacherichedza muchaona kuti 100a tikaendesa uku ichanokansela ne100ae, kana kuti 100ae tikaendesa uku inonokansela futi, saka zviri kukanselana izvi. Saka panapa tasarwa nechi? Tasarwa ne 4950d iri equal to 4900d plus 2000. Saka 4950d iri minus 4900d iri equal to 2000. Panapa tosara tina 50d iri equal to 2000, kureva kuti d iri equal to 40. This is our answer. Saka changoitikapo kuunderstanda our question, kugona kuita reinterpret the common difference, mukakanganisa paibudi, then madaro you solve basic algebra musvika kuanswer yenyu. Kana muine pamusina kunzwisisa, please don't hesitate to ask. Use the comments kana manumbers edu achabuda. If you want extra lessons with us, you can also use manumbers achabuda pa screen penyu. You'll be using WhatsApp to contact us. Thank you and take care.